Hi everyone, I'm Aaron. I'm the product manager of Cenozoic Robotics. Today I want to introduce you to the world's first real spot cleaning robot, the SP50, which helps to substantially reduce cleaning costs and save significant energy. Although the adoption of cleaning robots in today's commercial cleaning industry has increased tremendously, current cleaning robots are falling short of expectations and fail to replace manpower from repetitive, dirty, and tiring tasks, especially in terms of cleaning efficiency and cleaning results. The gap between current cleaning robots and a professional cleaner is still enormous. For example, the biggest difference between a professional cleaner and current cleaning robots is that a professional cleaner knows exactly where the garbage is. And that's exactly how SP50 works. Employing the advanced NVIDIA Xavier AI Edge computing chips and multi-channel 3D LIDAR, SP50 is capable of spotting and cleaning more than 30 types of garbage on the floor with a 99% accuracy. On top of that, SP50 can also track the trace of liquid and clean it in a curved path. Here, I'm going to introduce you to the SP50's innovative patrol cleaning mode and how it can improve the current cleaning efficient as much as 10 times. Like every cleaning robot, it can cover every inch of the map. However, by leveraging its garbage detection capability, SP50 can work like a patrol cleaner and cover the same size of the map in 10% time span compared to the other robots. Another important difference between a professional cleaner and a current cleaning robot is that a professional cleaner knows when to use the proper tools to clean different types of garbage. Cenozoic's SP50 is also capable of automatically switching the cleaning mode according to the garbage type. Last but not least, as current robots only follow the predetermined route to clean the floor in a single pass, they cannot check if the floor is actually cleaned. SP50 can perform a cleaning result checkup, meaning it will automatically detect if the cleaning job is done properly. And if it is not, it will clean the same area repeatedly until it is done. Nowadays, cleaning robots have already been running in office buildings, shopping malls, hospitals, and all kinds of facilities, yet they are still struggling in high foot traffic areas. Cenozoic Robotics is fully aware of this and developed SP50 with the highest possible objective avoidance capability. It can simultaneously detect and track over 50 moving feet, as well as analyze and predict their behavior over the next few seconds to avoid any possible collision. SP50 adopts a physical design in both futuristic and realistic way. The multi-channel 3D LIDAR tremendously improves the robot's sensing capabilities, and it enables it to perceive the world in 3D vision, thus boosting its safety level to an unparalleled degree. Other user-friendly designs like the indicating light, user interface, and workstation connection ensure the operators an easy start and hassle-free maintenance. The increasing labor shortage and rising inflation has put the majority of cleaning businesses at risk. SP50 is designed to help those businesses survive under the current situation by actually cleaning like a pro.